Hello, dear students. Welcome back to Naaz Lectures. Today, we are going to enjoy a beautiful and heartwarming story called Thunder Cake by Patricia Polacco. The story is about fear, love, and courage, and how a loving grandmother helps a little child overcome her fear of thunderstorms, especially using a very special cake. So let's begin our story. The story begins on hot summer days at Grandma's farm in Michigan. The air feels heavy. Dark clouds fill the sky. Thunder shakes the window. The little girl loves her grandma Babushka, but she is very afraid of thunderstorms. Whenever thunder comes, she hides under the bed, shaking with fear. Grandma looks at the sky calmly and says, "This is thunder cake baking weather." She gently asks the child to come out under the bed. Grandma explains that they will make a thunder cake before the storm arrives. She teaches the child a trick. Count after lightning until thunder is heard. The number tells you how far the storm is. To make a cake, they must collect the ingredients. First, eggs from mean old Nilly Peck hen. The child is scared, but grandmother stays close. Then, milk from old kick cow. Again, the child feels afraid but keeps going. Each time lightning flashes, the child counts. The storm is coming closer, but the child is becoming braver. Next, they walk through tangleweed woods to the dry shed. Thunder roars loudly. The child feels frightened but continues walking. Finally, they collect the secret ingredients: three ripe tomatoes and strawberries. The child climbs high on a trellis, afraid of falling. Grandma gently says, "I'm here, child." Back in the kitchen, they mix all the ingredients. The batter goes into the oven just in time. Now the storm is very close, only 3 miles away. The cake is baking. The thunder roars loudly, but the child is no longer afraid. Grandma smiles and says, "You are very brave." The child says, "But I was afraid, Grandma." She replies, "Brave people feel fear, but they don't stop. They eat thunder cake with the tea as rain pours outside. The thunder crashes, but now it doesn't scare the child anymore. From that day on, the child never feared thunder again." Here, the moral of the story is courage does not mean having no fear. Courage actually means facing fear with the love, support, and confidence. So, my dear students, this was the beautiful story Thunder Cake. It teaches us that with the support of loved ones, we can overcome even our biggest fear. If you like this explanation, please like the video, subscribe to Naaz Lectures, and share it with your friends. See you soon with another interesting lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.